Hey Northern Virginia, I'm Harry Fonseca and
I'm Isai Fonseca,
and we're the proud presidents of
American Group Construction Inc. Today, we're in Knoxville, Virginia, completing a full roof replacement that includes metal roofing, flat roofing, GAF architectural shingles, gutters, all in one project.
This project highlights why choosing the right roofing system on each area of a home truly matters. The metal roof delivers long-term durability and energy efficiency. The flat roof system was installed with proper drainage and high-performance materials to ensure long-lasting protection. GAF architectural shingles provide a clean, timeless look built to withstand Virginia's weather.
At American Group Construction Inc., we're committed to provide quality craftsmanship, attention to detail, and doing the job right the first time. Over 15 years of experience, we take pride to protect homes and earn our clients' trust.
If you're in Northern Virginia and are considering a roof replacement, we'd be honored to earn your business.
American Group Construction Inc., professional and reliable roofing service for you.